Why in childhood and youth do we wish time to pass so quickly? We want to grow up so fast, yet as adults, we wish just the opposite. If, as the authorities often declare, a dog's life in relation to a human being's can be calculated by 7 human years to his 1, and Skip was an adult when I was still a boy. Sometimes it seemed as if he possessed the wisdom of a creature as old as time. All the lessons you learn in childhood kind of come in waves. In remembering moments such as these, I retain the sad, sweet reflection of being an only child and having a loyal and loving dog. For the struggles of my life, of the dangers, toils, and snares of my childhood hymns, loyalty and love are the best things of all, and surely the most lasting.